3 deceased. One possibly looks like a juvenile.
How long deservers spend life in prison? Are you gonna send more soldiers?
We have no soldiers here, man. We're all just cops.
حدود ساعت 1:45 بعد از ظهر 13 اکتبر 2024 دفتر کلانتری شهرستان برنالیو در ایالت نیو مکزیکو تماسی دریافت کرد.
And the property adjacent to me I also own, but I rent to a nice family that has been living there for some years. We heard like several gunshots about an hour and a half ago, and thought what we heard was kind of like a dog crying. Anyway, we heard about 5 or 6 gunshots, and then about 10 minutes later, a single gunshot. It did sound close by. You know, maybe I'm being paranoid.
تماس گیرنده توضیح داد که قبل از اینکه با دفتر کلانتری تماس بگیره سعی کرده با خانواده مستر تماس بگیره. حتی وقتی که کسی جواب تماسشون نداده سوار ماشینش شده و به اونجا رفته ولی بازم هیچ کس جواب نداده. حدود 1 ساعت بعد از این تماس افسرای کلانتری خودشونو به خونه خانواده مستر رسوندن.
Sheriff's office. Hello, Sheriff's office.
Hi.
Hey, sir. How you doing, sir? My family rushed me. Rushed you where?
My room.
Really
nice.
Come out here real quick, sir. Yes, sir. What are you talking about, dude? You have a look money right now?
Yeah, I do.
Hold on, no, don't read.
Don't.
I do. Yes, sir. You're just gonna tell me what's going on, okay?
So
Give me a second.
my family was trying to walk into my room, and they were trying to hit my heart. And my dad had a knife, and my sister had a sledgehammer, and then
What?
I killed them. But however, I found their bodies, and their wounds were healed. Oh, do you want me to show you?
125, so we need additional units code.
That shit was crazy. I don't know, like I shot him in the head, and then they were convulsing. They were trying their arms.
We are 10-4 and we have 1 detained.
Yeah,
10-4, there's possibly 3 individuals deceased in the house.
I was gonna put on my wife.
281, 209.
Direct.
I don't fucking know what happened.
They
It's like they were trying to hit my heart, and then they're banging on my door.
You have blood on your hands. What's up with that?
My dad rushed me, I hit him, and then my mom was like, you need to die. I was like, what the fuck?
Turn around.
برای کسی که به تازگی چون این جنایت خشونت‌آمیزی مرتکب شده این میزان آرامش غیر عادیه. نه تنها این رفتار بلکه اصرار اون برای نشون دادن محل اجساد هم غیر قابل باور و عجیبه. اون به جای ابراز پشیمونی بیشتر روی تبرئه کردن خودش تمرکز داره و خانواده‌اش رو مقصر میدونه.
I can show you where the bodies are.
No, just hold on. Just hold on. Okay?
Okay, so
Hey, hold on. We have to detain you in a car, okay?
They're over there, like,
Right. Okay.
Are they in the house?
No, it should look scary. They were biting their arms, and then there was like hot boiling shit on the ground. Is that normal?
I can't. Just kind of hang out for me for a minute.
Did you use that gun at all?
I did.
You did? Against who?
My dad, my mom, and my sister. I don't know what the they were doing.
افسرای کلانتری بعد از بازداشت ادلای به محوطه خونه برگشتن و منتظر نیروهای کمکی موندن. از همونجا هم معلوم بود که اخیراً فاجعه‌ای هولناک توی خونه رخ داده. لکه‌های بزرگ خون و رد کشیده شدن اجساد روی زمین و پله‌ها دیده می‌شد. وقتی نیروهای کمکی از راه رسیدن، همه افسرها برای ورود به خونه آماده شدند.
Sheriff's office! Anyone inside? Come on out with your hands up, open and empty! We're gonna have one hold on the left. There's stairs to the left. To the right, there's more stairs. He sounded like the family maybe to the right. We're looking for father, mother, and sister.
Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office! Anybody inside? Come out with your hands up, open and empty.
به محض ورود به خونه، افسرای کلانتری آثار بیشتری از سطح خون روی راه پله ها پیدا کردند که اونا را به سمت بالای پله ها هدایت کرد. جایی که مظنون به 3 نفر از اعضای خانواده شلیک کرده و بعد اجسادشون رو به پایین پله ها کشیده بود. اونا همچنین یک چاقوی خونالود، بیفتکوب، پوکه های فشنگ، تی و یک سطل آب خونالود رو پیدا کردن که نشون میداد ادلای قصد داشته صحنه جرم رو تمیز کنه.
You guys take left, I got right.
Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office!
I'm gonna take this first door.
Hold on a sec. Hold on. Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office! Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office!
Stepping out.
Stepping out. Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office! Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office! Anybody inside?
داخل خونه هیچ نشونی از خانواده ادلای پیدا نشد، ولی یک سگ پیدا شد که بهش شلیک شده بود. در حالی که یکی از افسرها به وضعیت اون رسیدگی می‌کرد، بقیه افسرها به سمت حیاط پشتی رفتن تا اونجا را بررسی کنند.
Sheriff's Office!
These are drag marks.
Let's try and stay out of them.
Okay, I got it. Three deceased, one possibly looks like a juvenile. Said deceased.
I didn't touch them, but clearly they're.
افسرهای کلانتری جسد 3 نفر از اعضای خانواده مستر، ریموندو، برتا و بریل مستر، پدر، مادر و خواهر کوچکتر ادلای رو که داخل یک گودال کم عمق رها شده بودن رو پیدا کردند. این افراد بر اثر اصابت گلوله به سر و همچنین چندین ضربه چاقو جان باخته بودند. ادلای به کلانتری و سپس به اتاق بازجویی منتقل شد، جایی که رفتارهای غیرقابل پیش بینیش تشدید شد.
Where did you shoot your dad? Where did you shoot him?
Well, at first I was him.
What about your mom? Where did you shoot your mom at?
Down. Okay.
Where did you shoot your sister?
I was in my mom, my dad, my younger sister.
Where did you take them after you shot them?
Well, I buried them, and then I opened the gate, take a right. I went down the trail.
Why did you put him in the ravine?
Lost consciousness. You can take a picture. I mean, I arrested them.
ادلای از بازپرس درخواست میکنه تا دفترچه یادداشتش رو بهش بده تا شخصا نحوه قتل فجیع خانواده‌اش رو ثبت کنه، ولی در عوض در مورد امواج لرزه‌ای جزئیاتی درباره شلیک به برج‌های تلفن همراه و داشتن تصویربرداری حرارتی توی خونش مینویسه. وقتی ازش پرسیده شد چرا به سگ شلیک کرده، ادلای اون رو وحشی توصیف میکنه. این اظهارات عجیب و غریب ادلای به وضوح نشون میده اون ذهن پریشونی داره.
Did you take any type of drug?
No.
So you've been sober?
Yes.
Do you normally take anything other than like marijuana or anything?
Yes.
What were you usually on?
Jameson.
Did you take any type of meth, fentanyl, anything like that?
Nothing.
No? Okay. Have you ever been to the doctor at all for any type of mental health issues?
Oh yeah. I went to the Haven for, curse. People used to curse when I feel like I'm feeling cursed.
Oh, really?
Like that, yeah.
ادلای مصرف هر گونه مواد مخدر سنگین رو انکار کرد. در طول 1 سال اخیر توی بیمارستان سلامت روان و رفتار درمانی مورد ارزیابی قرار گرفته بود، ولی توی این مدت هیچ گونه افکار جنایتکارانه یا خودکشی از خودش نشون نداده بود. با این حال وقتی بازپرس از اتاق بازجویی بیرون میره، رفتار ادلای عجیب و عجیب تر میشه.
I ain't no agent, no frack. Pull some strings, let's make it the officer, the sheriff, let's make it happen. I don't deserve to spend life in prison. Officer Magistrate, Admiral Magistrate, matter of fact, Admiral Magistrate. Admiral Mestre. On Dubai, I was on. Are they coming? Or are they just... Alright.
It's taken care of. Go and sit down for me, okay? What I need you to do, man, is just take a deep breath, okay? Okay? We got a lot to do, so just take a deep breath. Okay, you've been yelling a bunch. You doing okay?
May you please release me?
What's that?
May you please release me?
Release you where?
From this?
We can, and we can. So it's gonna be a little while. Just hang tight, okay? Please.
Are you gonna send more soldiers?
We have no soldiers here, man. We're all just cops.
You're gonna send more soldiers?
He's not a soldier, he's a cop.
Or am I gonna spend the night?
You're gonna spend the night probably in jail,
Nice.
okay? So we'll be back, but I just need you to simmer down a little bit, okay?
No, I haven't heard. Just a whole bunch of nonsense.
Yeah, it's a pretty rough day, man. You've had a rough day for sure. So just take a deep breath for me, alright? Thank you.
Just let me spend the night in jail. What if I just spend the night in here and y'all release me?
چند ثانیه بیشتر طول نکشید تا ادلای دوباره دستگیر بشه. اون در نهایت به 3 فقره قتل درجه 1، 5 فقره دستکاری در شواهد، 1 فقره خشونت شدید علیه حیوانات، 1 فقره فرار از بازداشت و 1 فقره خسارت به اموال عمومی متهم شد. تحقیقات در مورد این پرونده در جریانه و هنوز رأی قطعی صادر نشده.